The most common mistakes companies make when bringing AI into their processes. AI in companies almost always end up delivering no real value. Not because it's not useful, because it gets bought, installed, and often abandoned. And this is a real shame because that companies will soon pay dearly for the mistake. 7 out of 10 European companies don't use it because they say they don't know how. They looked at it, then stopped because the skills aren't there. Then there are job postings now asking for AI skills. Sixfold growth in a year. AI hires grow faster than the total of hires. And by 2030, 59 workers out of 100 will have to relearn their job. And 63% of employers already say the skills gap is the #1 problem. When a company buys AI, it thinks the job is done. Licenses, consultants, proof of concept, then the product dies. 10% of AI values come from algorithms, 20% from data, but 70% comes from people, processes, culture. And that 70% is the first thing cut from budgets. Here in the US, AI training is searched for both integrators. So we buy the tool and then the company stays the same. I've been running awareness events for companies for years and I see it. After the event, attention rises for a full week, then everything goes back to how it was. One-off training doesn't work. It's important, but doesn't work just one. You need continuity. The event helps, but it's not enough. So buying AI is one thing, and rethinking the organization as AI-driven is something else entirely. We review the processes, the responsibilities, the metrics, the habits. Slow, uncomfortable, expensive. I know, but whoever doesn't do it falls behind and risks closing down soon.